Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In the previous video, we had discussed about phylum Chordata. In this video, we are going to discuss about Acraniata or Protochordata, which is a group under phylum Chordata. Acraniata or Protochordata includes two phylums, namely subphylum Urochordata and subphylum Cephalochordata. Habitat: these animals are exclusively marine, that is, there are no animals found in fresh water. Pharyngeal gill slits are present and they may be present throughout their lifetime. Notochord is also present. Vertebral column is absent and skull and brain are absent in case of protochordates. Now moving on to subphylum Urochordata. Urochordata is also called as Tunicata. Urochordata is also known as tunicata due to the presence of tunic, which is the outer covering, tunic present as outer covering of the body, which is why they are known as tunicata. Now notochord, it is present only in the tail of larva, hence the name Urochordata, because the notochord is present only in the tail of larva, and in adults notochord is absent. So notochord is present in larva, but it is absent in, again, the nerve cord. It is also present only in larva and it is absent in adults. So only one chordate character which is found in adults is the presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Pharyngeal gill slits, which is a chordate character, can be found in adults. Rest all the chordate characters are seen in larva. So if you see, the larva of urochordates appears to be more advanced as compared to adults. This is an example of retrogressive metamorphosis. Retrogressive metamorphosis, when the adult has primitive features as compared to larva, it is termed as retrogressive metamorphosis. We have also seen this phenomena in case of Echinodermata, where larva has bilateral symmetry but adults show radial symmetry. Circulatory system in case of urochordates is of open type. Excretion is through specialized cells known as nephrocytes. Reproduction, these organisms are mostly monoecious, that is, they are bisexual. Fertilization is mostly external and development is indirect, that is, a larval stage is present. Examples, we have Acidia, Doliolum, Salpa and Herdmania. Herdmania is also known as sea potato. The next subphylum under Acraniata is subphylum Cephalochordata. Cephalochordates are considered as first complete chordates because all the chordate characteristics persist throughout life. All the chordate characteristics persist throughout life, which means that notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, they are present throughout the lifespan of the organism. These organisms are mostly found in shallow marine waters. Notochord is present from head up to the tail. So the notochord traverses the entire length of the body and it persists throughout the life. Circulatory system is closed type. For excretion and osmoregulation, protonephridia are present, which are similar in structure to the protonephridia that we have already discussed. Pharyngeal gill slits also persist throughout their lifespan. Reproduction. These animals are mainly dioecious, that is, they are unisexual. Fertilization is mostly external. Development is indirect, that is, a larval stage is present. Example, we have branchiostoma, which is also known as amphioxus or lancelet. So with this, we finish the subphylum Cephalochordata and we are done with Acraniata. See you in next video.